Hello everyone, here is the problem with the GoPro 9. I tried to format the SD card in it and it's just keep on giving me this thing. It's formatting and it's keep on going round and round in formatting. It's almost like 5 minutes now and still I wasn't able to get it completely formatted. It's quite hot right now at the bottom. I can feel it. So what should I do now? Well, let's see by taking out the battery. Okay, the battery is out and let's put it in again. Turn it on. It's turned on and nope, still shows me that it can record up to 20 minutes of video. And what about my files in it? Let's try to do it again, format it again. Format SD card. Format. And let's see what it says now. Yeah. Oh, it's done now. So all the file has been deleted. Yep, 2 hours and 28 minutes of recording in it. So if you ever get stuck in getting it formatted, just stick up the battery, put it back in and try it again and it should be good. Thank you for watching the video.